Our vacation finally began as we boarded the ship in Seattle. Dining room, Windows dining room, very beautiful room. We have a very lovely cabin with a wonderful balcony that we are hoping to see all the sights as we cruise northern Alaska. Sitting on the back of the deck, huh?
Beautiful.
Versus sitting on the dock of the bay.
Yeah.
I think it's a little foggy outside, don't you? I hope they got a radar, says Virginia. And I hope we don't hit a glacier. Or an iceberg. Look at all those people.
Even when you die, the rest of
Hi, Colleen.
Hi.
Where are we going?
We are going to the Raptor Center, then the Fortress of the Bear, and then the National Park.
Thank you.
It's like every day, so you get to see some true Alaskan weather. And we are going to the Fortress of the Bears and then the SITKA National Historic Park. So we get to see all of the best of SITKA. I think we've got everybody, so we are good to go.
I can't quite get up there.
Yeah, so I can tell you all a little bit about some of the stuff that you can see in here today.
I'm way up there. He just let me out. Boy, this has got to be pretty brutal for them.
our first port in Alaska, in SITKA.
Yep.
And SITKA is the largest city in the United States.
And what? Number 7 rainforest in the world?
7th largest rainforest.
Yeah.
They've had 3 inches of rain the past couple of days, and it's raining today.
And it's beautiful.
But we're going to take you through SITKA on a little tour. And right now we are starting at the Raptor Center, which is a center where they rehabilitate eagles and owls and any birds that are injured that are birds of prey.
The owls and the eagle and the falcons.
And what defines a raptor?
They're looking forward with the big beaks that they can eat the meat.
They're hunters.
Yep.
And they have big beaks and very strong talons that can rip things apart.
See the bald eagle up there?
Yeah.
Don't smile. This is normally what we see. The eagle says he's smiling, and so does Richard. No, none of that. The normal.
Special dark morph called a Harlem's red-tailed hawk. So it was originally thought they might be a completely separate species, but genetics confirms that he is a red-tailed hawk still. And you'll find these guys mostly spending their time in areas where there's extensive temperate rainforest.
This is the forest in which the rehabilitation birds are kept somewhere in here. Can't quite see any yet.
Looks like it, but I don't really know.
Out here, they will throw the remains of the fish out into the water, and the eagles love it. It's like a free buffet for them. They'll just be circling around here, like dive bomb in the water, get their dinner. There's also quite a bit of fishing that happens out here. As you can see, we have a few fishing boats out here today.
There's a bear shit in the woods.
What part did you like the best?
I enjoyed the part when the bear stood up and I saw that he was like big.
And those are just babies.
Big.
Those are baby cubs.
No, one's though.
Oh, is it?
Oh yeah. He
Okay.
was 7 feet tall.
Yeah. As the woman said, they look cute and fuzzy, but you don't want to see them out on the trail, right? The Totem Trail in the National Park. And what was it called again?
The Totem Trail.
Guess
of
I
the
don't need
SITKA
this.
SITKA National Park.
Ah, there we go.
And this is where the totem poles are. And we're going to go see them right now.
And then past these buildings are the fish processing plant and cannery. If you've seen the movie The Proposal, you might remember the name Paxton. Also a little museum inside Centennial Hall, which is right where we'll be stopping. There's a little bit to see in town. Over on the left, this is one of our harbors. This is Crescent Harbor. Since we have such little amount of road, the best way to explore and see something new is by boat. Many of the locals have their own personal boats. And in this harbor, quite a few people actually live on their boats.
Okay. Hello. Okay, we're back. You ready to eat? You ready to eat again?
Yeah.
Yep. face recognition on us?
Just look at the camera, ma'am. Just look at the
Okay.
camera. I think it might have recognized sir first. Wait, ma'am. Now, sir, you can come this way. It's recognized you, ma'am. You need to wait, ma'am.
You got it? Huh? Oh, you got me?
Yeah.
Not.
Oh. Never fails. He's either in front of me or behind me.
Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll get notified when the next video is posted. Thank you for watching.